Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? I just wanted to show you guys how to redirect or do a raid or after you do a live stream. So YouTube just created a way for you guys to raid other streamers after you finish your stream. I just want to show you guys how to do that. Now they do call it a redirect instead of a raid, but there are a few things you need to do. First off, go into YouTube Studio and find the tab that says Settings and click on that. And then once you're there, you want to go down to Community. And then after that, scroll down until you see Live Redirects. And then you'll want to make sure that you have the All Channels Can Redirect to My Content clicked if you want all channels to do that, or just channels that you're subscribed to can redirect to your content, or you can specify what channels you want to redirect to your content. So I like to have all channels can redirect to my content. And then once that is clicked and done, when you create your live or while you're live, you can do this at any point in time. So I'm just going to create a quick one here. This is just one I had set up. When you get to the customization tab, you'll want to scroll down and you'll see the redirect right here and click add. And then you can either add one of your own videos or you can search other channels and you can have it redirect to them. So I'm going to put K Gaming here. So you just put that channel there and so click next. So once that is done and you do your live stream and you end the stream, it'll redirect all your viewers to that live stream, to that video, whatever it is. Once you've created the live stream, and if you didn't put a redirect in the first time, you want to do it while you're live or at any point in time, you just go to Edit, go to Customization, scroll down, and you can do it here. Again, search for the channel you want, add them in. It can be live, it can be a premiere, whatever it may be. And then when you end stream, it'll redirect all your viewers there. That's basically it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Put a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!